we guide you through how to use Remitly Money Transfer. So first, open the Remitly app or website and sign in or create an account using your email or phone number. Then select the country you are sending money to and enter the amount you want to transfer, while Remitly automatically shows you the exchange rate and delivery speed options like economy or express. Next, choose how your receiver will get the money either through bank deposits, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or home delivery, depending on availability in their location. After that, enter your receiver's full details carefully, such as their name, contact number, and bank information if needed to avoid delays. Then select your payment method like debit card, credit card, or bank transfer and double check all the details before confirming. Once you confirm the transfer, Remitly will process your transaction and you will receive a tracking number so you can monitor the status in real time until it is delivered. And finally, your receiver will notify when the money is ready to pick up and already deposited.